Have you ever tried making your own shawarma at home but you didn't like the texture or the taste? That used to be me too, but not anymore. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel where we keep it simple, easy and absolutely delicious. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate your support. And if you are new here, please don't leave without subscribing to my YouTube channel and joining our amazing family. So my name is Umi and today I will be showing you how to make tasty, juicy and super easy homemade shawarma right in your kitchen using a few simple ingredients. Let's get started. First, start by adding protein of your choice. Today I'm using chicken, but you can also use beef or any protein you like. Next, add your already washed and sliced cabbage and carrots. Now we are going to add our creamy mixture. This is made with creamy cheese and mayonnaise, and it helps make the shawarma feeling extra creamy and flavorful. It also helps bind everything together so every bite is delicious. Pour this mixture into the cabbage, carrot and chicken mixture, then mix everything gently until well combined. Just look at this. It's already looking so creamy and delicious. At this point, you could even taste a little bit of it. Now grab your shawarma wrap and add some of the cabbage mixture. Make sure to add just the right amount so it is easy to wrap and eat. Next, add some potato chips. The chips add a texture that balances the creamy feeling and make the shawarma even more satisfying. Then go in with your juicy sausage for extra flavor and protein. Now carefully wrap the shawarma tightly and repeat the process until all the shawarma wraps are ready. Next, place the shawarma on a grill pan or frying pan and grill it for some minutes until it is golden brown and slightly crispy on the outside. And boom, our delicious homemade shawarma is ready. You can slice into half or chop into pieces, however you like to serve it. And that's how we make simple, juicy and super tasty homemade shawarma at home. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.